So since the launch of the website, we've had over 3,800 form submissions on the website.
Really an unprecedented outpouring. That's how Pennsylvania Attorney General Dave Sunday is describing just the sheer volume of responses received since our KDKA investigation aired just yesterday. First bringing you the allegations against local funeral home director Patrick Vereb. And we are continuing to bring you the latest information as new details on this case with Eternity Pet Memorial is coming to light.
Some 6,500 families are impacted so far, but investigators expect that number to grow. And only on KDKA tonight, we're taking your questions directly to the Attorney General. KDKA consumer investigator Megan Schiller joins us live. And Megan, it's been a busy 24 hours around here since our investigation first aired.
Josh and Kim, that it has, but we've kept track of all of your messages, your emails, and your calls. And many of you asked really good questions that popped up as you were trying to maneuver the AG's website and answer the basic question that really this all boils down to, which is how do I know if my pet was involved? This smiling, seeing eye dog named Chelsea helped her owner navigate the world. The best friend I ever had is how Fawn's owner described her. And this teeny tiny Yorkie named Joy lived up to her name every day.
What if they're in a landfill somewhere and we'll never know? We'll never know. And we don't know who we have in their urn.
Attorney General Dave Sunday hopes his office's investigation into local funeral homeowner Patrick Vereb will provide those answers.
Since the launch of the website, we've had over 3,800 form submissions on the website. And so that's a lot. We have not seen anything like this before in the AG's office.
He says this website is key because it's putting his office in a position to contact victims and collect their information.
Two important parts of this, and I appreciate your reporting on this, has helped us out a lot. And the first part is we want victims or potential victims to be able to go to the website and to fill out the information so that we have it, so that we can contact them. We want them to be able to fill out victim impact forms about how this has impacted them.
That's why he's asking for everyone, even if your pet's death didn't fall within the years listed or your vet isn't currently listed, to still submit. He says the current criteria is based on the current facts of the investigation.
And with regard to if someone's not quite sure, what we would say to them is submit, because we would rather have someone submit and provide their information and put us in a position where we can say to them, hey, you're not a victim, than someone to sit out there and worry so much about something like this.
I'm also just curious, to people who have buried their human loved ones using this funeral home, do they have any cause for concern?
Not that I know of.
Attorney General Sunday says his office is working in real time to reply to people. And as a pet parent himself, he takes these allegations against Vereb seriously.
It's very tragic and sad. So I'm glad that, again, thank you for reporting on this. And we are doing everything we can to identify as many victims as possible and follow the facts and the law.
And we also asked AG Sunday about a consumer investigation, since many asked about civil charges trying to recoup their money back, since many fear they didn't get the services they actually paid for. He didn't want to talk about where the investigation is going to lead his office at this point, he said, but he did say they're doing everything they can to make victims whole. Kim?
Yeah, certainly getting a lot of attention, Megan. Thank you. And the Attorney General is hoping to hear from you if you took your pet to Eternity Pet Memorial between 2021 and 2024. There's a form you need to fill out that Megan was just talking about. It's online on the Attorney General's website. We made it really easy for you to find it too because we posted a link for you at KDKA.com.